so excited. He loves to swim and he loves tennis balls, so perfect day for him. This is his 3rd year. I think it's so fun. The dogs all love it. They all have a great time every year, and the pools are going to get drained anyway, so why not? Can you get the ball? Can you get the ball?
Paws in the Pool, it's a fun day at the end of the season, right before we drain all the pools, where families can bring their dogs in and they can swim. It's a great experience all around for families in Frisco.
I think I saw quite a few animals almost sleeping on their way out. They played so hard.
This is like the best thing ever.
It's just a great place for them to come exhaust themselves. We love it. This is our 4th year. My wife puts it on the calendar first thing when tickets come out every single year.
We look forward to this event every single year. It goes on our calendar, and we make sure we never miss it. Because you can see, these guys were having a great time. They love it. They love it, and I do too. Our name is Billy, and this one's Milo.
It's the first year that I've brought my dog because I've wanted to ever since I started working here.
Get in! Whee! There you go.
Oh, hi. We noticed the smaller dogs are usually more timid, and as we get throughout the day, the larger dogs just do their thing, like they're used to it. They own the place, and it's so cute.
It's something definitely I wouldn't miss. I drove from Waco on Baylor, and I wouldn't miss this from the world.
I think it's pretty cool. Like, it gives a chance to like dog owners just to come out and have fun with their dogs.
And usually they don't like the water, but they seem to really like it.
Yeah.
It's my favorite day of the season.
If you got a dog that loves water, this is the place to be.
Girl. She's so excited.
Ruby! It's a great environment. I love it.
This is definitely something I would want to come back to again next year for sure.
I love it. I always look forward to it all year.